Now you have a fully rotating camera right at your boom tips. So what do you do if you need to shoot something with an overhead setup? I'm Cam with ProPhoto Rental, and today we're gonna break down a couple of our setups for shooting something overhead. So setup number one is we're gonna be just breaking down and fiddling with an Avenger stand. The Avenger stand is one of our favorite stands that we have in stock because it combines the powers of a combo stand with the utility of a boom arm. And it's all in one package, making it much easier to transport on set. Having said all of that, you will want to have some sandbags to make sure that it's nice and stable. And as part of the rental, you actually get a 25-pound counterweight sandbag to go with it. The boom arm itself can actually extend up to 8 feet. Officially, it's rated to be able to carry up to 17 pounds of weight when fully extended. To mount the camera, you're simply going to attach your camera to the tripod ball head mount, attach that to the baby pin adapter, then the adapter to the baby pin on the arm itself. Now you have a fully rotating camera right at your boom tips. If you're not looking to just mount a singular camera, but you're trying to mount multiple cameras, multiple lights, you need something a little more heavy duty, we have a setup that works for that as well. For this setup, you just need 2 stands, either combo stands or C stands, depending on what you're trying to set up. 2 grid clamps or pipe clamps, a Speedrail. We have 6-foot and 10-foot Speedrails that you can use. The Manfrotto Superclamp or the Mathelini clamp, the camera mount plate to baby pin adapter, and just any ball head. You choose whatever you want for ball heads. To set it up, you're gonna just separate the stands. Once those are set up, you'll put the pipe clamps into the junior pin receivers. Then lay your Speedrail across both of those. Make sure those are nice and tight. Now you wanna take your ball head, remove the mounting plate from it and set it aside. Then mount the ball head to the plate adapter. Now slide the baby pin into the baby pin receiver on the super clamp. Clamp that sucker wherever you want on your Speedrail and then mount the camera. And there you go, you have a fully operational overhead setup. The links to all of the parts are in the description below. If you have further questions, always give us a call at the shop. We'll be happy to talk you through it. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Goodbye. I wonder if I can do the I don't know. Yeah, I'll see.